Hello and welcome to Learn English Audiobook. If you are learning English and you understand English, but you feel shy or nervous when you speak, this video is very important for you. In this video, you are not just going to listen to English, you are going to speak English with me. This lesson is specially made for beginners and basic English learners who want to speak simple, clear, and correct English in daily life. Today's topic is My Morning Habits in Simple English. Why is this topic important? Because everyone has a morning routine. You wake up, you brush your teeth, you get ready, you eat breakfast. These are real-life actions, and you can talk about them every day. In this video, you will learn how to say your morning routine in English easily, without confusion and without fear. We will use a very powerful method called listen and repeat and shadowing. First, you will listen to the sentence carefully. Then, you will repeat the sentence slowly. After that, you will speak with me at a natural speed. This method helps you improve your pronunciation, speak more smoothly, think less, and speak faster. Feel more confident in English. Even if your English is very basic, do not worry. I will use very simple words and short sentences. I will explain everything step by step. After watching this video, you will feel I can speak English now. English is not difficult. I can talk about my daily life in English. So please watch this video till the end. Do not just watch, speak with me. Repeat loudly. This small practice can make a big difference in your English speaking. Now, before we start the lesson, let me quickly explain how you should use this video. This part is very important, because if you use this video in the right way, your English will improve much faster. First, do not be silent. English speaking improves only when you speak out loud. In this video, you will see small pauses. These pauses are for you, not for me. When you hear a sentence, listen carefully. Listen to the pronunciation. Listen to the speed. Listen to the rhythm. After that, when you hear the pause, repeat the sentence loudly. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not try to be perfect. Just speak. Now, let me explain shadowing in a very simple way. Shadowing means you listen to the sentence and you speak with the speaker at the same time or just a little bit after. At first, it may feel difficult. That is normal. If you cannot shadow at first, no problem. You can just repeat slowly. With practice, your mouth and brain will learn together. If you want, you can pause the video, repeat one sentence 2 or 3 times, then continue. This is your practice time. Remember one important thing. Speaking English is a skill like swimming or driving. The more you practice, the better you become. So relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy speaking English. Let's begin. Remember, you are not only listening, you are speaking English. Now, listen. I wake up early in the morning. Now repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. Now listen. After I wake up, I get out of bed. Now repeat. After I wake up, I get out of bed. Now listen. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Now repeat after me. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Now listen. I take a shower in the morning. Now repeat after me. I take a shower in the morning. Now listen. After my shower, I wear clean clothes. Now repeat. After my shower, I wear clean clothes. Now listen. Then I go to the kitchen. Now repeat after me. Then I go to the kitchen. Now listen. I prepare my breakfast in the morning. Now repeat. I prepare my breakfast in the morning. Now listen. I have breakfast at home. Now repeat after me. I have breakfast at home. Now listen. Sometimes I drink tea or coffee. Now repeat. Sometimes I drink tea or coffee. Now listen. After breakfast, I get ready for my day. Now repeat after me. After breakfast, I get ready for my day. Now listen. I check my phone in the morning. Now repeat. I check my phone in the morning. Now listen. Then I leave my home for work or study. Now repeat after me. Then I leave my home for work or study. You are doing great. Now let us continue and speak the full morning routine smoothly without stopping. Do not stop. Do not think too much. Just listen and speak with me. If you miss a word, it is okay. Keep going. Now listen and speak with me. I wake up early in the morning and get out of bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a shower and wear clean clothes. After that, I go to the kitchen and prepare my breakfast. I have breakfast at home and sometimes I drink tea or coffee. After breakfast, I get ready for my day. I check my phone and then I leave my home for work or study. Excellent! You did a great job today. You listened to English, you repeated English, and you spoke English out loud. This is the most important part of learning English. Many people only watch videos, but you practiced. That is why you are improving. Now you can talk about your morning routine in English. You can use these sentences in real life. You can use them every day. Do not worry if you are not perfect. Fluency comes with daily practice, not in one day. You can watch this video again tomorrow. You can speak these sentences again and again. Each time you will feel more confident. Remember one thing, you do not need difficult English to speak well. You need simple English spoken clearly and confidently. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and believe in yourself. If you found this lesson helpful, stay connected with Learn English Audiobook. More simple and powerful English speaking lessons are coming for you. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.